Hey guys, how you doing? We're back with episode 2, right? This is episode 2. If you haven't seen episode 1, you want to go back. You want to make sure you like. You want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because this right here is going to be episode 2 of the Your Credit series, okay? I'm going to be giving you tips and giving you ideas on how to improve your credit score, right? So this is going to be volume 2. We're going to talk about debt consolidation, right? Is debt consolidation, is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? What does it entail, right? So stay tuned. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you share it with your friends and family. And I will see you on the other side. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Thank you, guys. This is going to be episode 2 of Your Credit series, okay? Today, we're going to be talking about debt consolidation, right? I'm going to give you the real on debt consolidation based off of my experiences with them, based off interviews I've had with other people and their experiences with debt consolidation, okay? If you don't know too much, and if you're not too familiar with the debt consolidation, what that is companies are pretty much taking on your debts, and then they're making all your debts into one payment, right? Because kind of sounds like a good idea, but there's two different types of consolidation. Now, you can get a consolidation loan where you can pay off all your debts and make one payment to pay that loan back off, or you can get with a debt consolidation company and things like that, okay? I'm mainly talking about a debt consolidation company, okay? What this company, what they will do is they will actually take on your debt. They'll contact your creditors, confirm what you owe, right? They'll give you a monthly payment, and you just pay that monthly payment while they negotiate with your creditors to pay them off, right? That's pretty much in a gist, that's what it is. Guys, that's no different than something that maybe you could have done yourself, maybe, okay? But, you know, they're good at negotiating a smaller amount to pay it off, all right? I want to caution you on this. It does not fix your credit. Okay, it will not fix your credit score or anything like that. The only thing debt consolidations does is pay off the debt, right? It will give you a zero balance on your debt, but at what expense, right? Because what they actually do is they allow each account to go into a delinquent state, right? So pretty much they sit and wait until right before the company wants to charge it off and sell it to a collection agency. And then they say, hey, look, I can get a little bit because you're paying them monthly. So if they let this thing sit there for, 6 months, before they sell it off to a creditor, they can say, hey, look, I got some money to pay you to pay this debt down, right? At this time, all that time, the time that it's waiting, it's still hitting your credit report. Not paid, not paid, not paid, not paid. Because no one knows you have a debt consolidation company. So if you go to buy something, they're just going to say you didn't pay it, right? You were late all those times, right? That's how the debt consolidation. Then once they agreed on a lesser amount, they pay it off, right? And they keep the profits. That's how they do it, right? And it's only thing it does is decrease the amount. It will show a zero balance, but it's going to show bad credit history, right? And that's what you don't want. You don't want the bad credit history because the credit history is 35% of your score, right? The debt is the history that hurts your score, right? Your history, your pay history is what hurt your score because pay history is 35% of your credit score, right? 35% is the biggest part of your credit score, guys. If you're looking at the FICO algorithm, which is your real true credit score, your FICO score is your real true score, 35% of that score is pay history. So they're allowing your pay history take a hit, which your credit is going to take a hit, right? So this is one of the things. The last video I went over bankruptcy. This is debt consolidation. Now, if you take a consolidation loan out, let's say you go to your bank and you say, "Look, I'm looking for a debt consolidation loan." They give you a loan that's going to pay off all your debts. Now, if you just pay that loan back, you're fine, right? You're fine if you decide to do that. But I'm gonna tell you, to do that, your credit already needs to be pretty good to get a debt consolidation loan, because they may ask for collateral or something like that, but your credit needs to be pretty decent to get that loan. That's kind of sort of a personal loan. So let's say you have $25,000 in debt, right? And all your debts, credit cards, whatever it is, $25,000. You're doing a debt consolidation loan, and you're getting a loan for that $25,000. You take that $25,000, pay off all your debts, and now you just have that one payment that you got to pay that loan back. Okay, that a lot of people have been doing that, and that's been working for a lot of people. But I will tell you, caution: the new FICO system that's coming out is gonna pretty much, it's not gonna benefit you if you do that now, because now with the new FICO score that's coming out, that actually was released earlier in 2020. If they push that into effect, that all the lenders are going to be looking at this, is that all of your debts, they're going to be able to go back 2 years of debt, right? Because a lot of people can, right before you go buy something, you can get a debt consolidation loan, finish all your debts out, right? And then it's going to look, when they pull your credit, it's right there in real time, because your utilization was a no memory credit, right? So what I mean by that is, it's not going to remember what you did previous months. It's just about of where it's at right now. The new FICO system, that's not going to be the case anymore. They can go back and see where your debts were all the way up 24 months from that point, right? So if you get the debt consolidation loan, that won't help you at all. So you want to be mindful on that, right? Other way you can do, and again, I want to caution and I'll tell you, debt consolidation does not help your credit score. And a lot of people are doing that because they want to help their credit score. They want to get a low interest rate on what they want to get. That's the goal, right? This option is not gonna be that, right? It's not gonna be that. There's other ways to increase your credit. I say it time and time again, the best to increase your credit, you need to decrease negative items on your credit report and increase the amount of things that are going positive on your credit report. So making payments on time is 35% of your score. Utilization on credit cards, which there's another video coming about utilization and all of that. So you got to know all factors of your credit score and how to legally increase it, right? So you got to know what you can do, because you don't know what you don't know, right? You can't fix what you don't know about, right? So I'm here trying to give you guys the insight on how things actually work, right? There are some people that has negative things on their credit report. They need to know, how can they get these negative things off? Guys, I got a recommendation for you in the bottom of the description box of getting things off your credit report, some obsolete items and things like that need to come off your credit report. A very, very good company that I do recommend that can help you with that. If you're looking to increase and increase positive things on your credit, get in contact with me. I can show you some things that you can actually do legally and put them on your credit report. So I got those things in credit. Like if you currently rent your home, you can actually get your rent on your credit report, right? Credit cards is a good way, but you got to use them smartly. That's a video that's coming up. If you can't get a credit card, that's going to be a video that's coming up as well. So I'm going to give you guys a lot of good tips on my series here. So make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and look out for my next videos, right? Got a lot of good stuff that's coming for you, so don't miss a beat on any of them. Guys, also, if you have any questions, make sure you can write them, you can comment them below, and you can contact me directly. You want to go to my website, which is in the description, which is www.forexkingd.com. You can follow me on all social media platforms, or they're on that website. You just click on it and it takes you right to it. right? So you want to make sure you like and share my page with all your friends and family, if they're looking for credit answers and tips and things like that, so you can get that information as well. All my links and things like that will be in the description box, and by all means, if you guys have any questions, make sure you contact me, right? So I want to thank you guys for tuning in on episode 2, guys. I'm already on episode 2 of the Your Credit series, right? So again, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit the little bell there, which is the notification, so that way you can get notified each time that I do post a video here on YouTube, right? So I hope you guys is great, and I will see you on episode 3, right? So thank you guys. The best is yet to come for you, and always remember, you will miss 100% of the shots that you don't take, right? I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.